Echo BRD 280. Sometimes flower beds become overgrown with weeds on the edges, and gardeners are familiar with this problem. The equipment shown on the screen allows you to refresh these edges quickly and without extra effort, or to create new ones from scratch. The production of such tools for soil processing is handled by Echo. The video shows the operation of the BRD 280 model. A notable feature of its design is a patented steel disc with 6 lobes. It guarantees durability and stability of the tool, as well as high productivity. The professional 28.1cc two-stroke engine guarantees a long and productive work. The cost of the tool on the official website of the manufacturer is $600. It's worth mentioning that the earth-digging nozzle is removable. It can be replaced by other attachments from the same manufacturer. The Edge Blaster. More and more companies are developing garden equipment to save money, time, and effort. Apart from all that, the Edge Blaster also saves water. Cleaning the edges of the paths is not an easy task, because one careless movement is enough to cause debris and make soil fly in all directions. Standard cleaners are a problem because they use too much water. The Edge Blaster is a device that allows you to clean the edges of footpaths, as well as the sidewalk, quickly and effortlessly. The water under high pressure instantly cleans even stubborn soiling. Thanks to the built-in wheel, the device is easy to drive exactly along the edge of the roadway. At the same time, this cleaning tool is designed in such a way that the water stream doesn't fall on the lawn. It's noteworthy that the Edge Blaster has a long handle so that people don't have to bend while working. Really high pressure allows you to cope with dirt at walking speed. This equipment will cost you about $110. The Weed Snatcher. Weed growing through the cracks on the floor can spoil the appearance of any paving path or patio. Getting rid of weeds is difficult and takes a lot of time, and if you use chemicals, it's also harmful. The Weed Snatcher is a tool that allows you to get rid of weed in cracks in minutes. It's equipped with a telescopic handle so that you don't even have to bend to the ground when working. The owner independently sets the length of the handle, which varies from 90 to 180 centimeters, to provide comfortable work for people of any height. The manufacturer offers 2 nozzles, differing in the thickness of the hook. That means no matter how wide the cracks are, the Weed Snatcher will cope with the task in any situation. The creators state that after using this tool, the weed doesn't appear for a long time. The reason is the unique design that allows ripping out any weed grass with the root. After processing the cracks, it remains only to sweep the torn weeds aside and the work is done. The price of the device is only $30. The Pole Saw. This is a device that allows you to cope with unwanted and dangerous branches on trees. The pole saw is a compact electric saw attached to a long handle. It operates on electricity and turns on and off by just pressing one button. Thanks to the unique design of the saw, you don't have to use a ladder. In addition, it saves time and effort. The sharp blades cut even thick branches in a matter of seconds. The only effort that's required from the owner is to hold the saw in the correct position. It's noteworthy that the pole saw significantly increases the safety of the tree care procedure. A long handle allows you to stand up in such a way that the cut branch falls to the side and not onto the person. At the end of the high-altitude work, the saw can be removed from the handle. After that, it turns into the most common standard electric saw, suitable for various types of work. The cost of the instrument depends on the model, and it varies from $60 to $200. fruit collecting devices. The traditional way of collecting fruits from the ground is laborious and takes huge amounts of time. And that's why the Austrian company Humer Maschinenbau has created reliable, simple, and affordable special equipment. It's offered in various sizes. The working width varies from 45 to 141 centimeters. Also, the equipment differs by the volume of the fruit container, which can accommodate from 18 to 95 liters. It's noteworthy that the equipment is suitable for work in difficult conditions. It's able to collect fruit even if the grass is 30 centimeters high. The video shows the harvesting of apples using the Type 800 and Type 1100 models. They're equipped with containers with a total volume of 24 and 36 liters respectively. In general, the equipment is intended for harvesting any fruit with a diameter of 3 to 15 centimeters. Also, the company offers a device for shaking fruit trees and a special pallet for selection. Echo ASK RW23D. Standard brush cutters have a relatively small, limited area of use. Flying stones and debris can cause damage to cars, buildings, and pedestrians if they're nearby. That's why the company Echo created a brush cutter with a unique design, named the ASK RW23D. The rotating blades of the brush cutter are fixed in such a way as to cut off the grass or bushes just as standard scissors do. Thanks to this design, the cut vegetation is not scattered all around. It falls in the same place where it was cut off. Also, thanks to this special design, stones and debris caught on the way remain in place and can't cause harm to others. Thus, the Echo ASK RW23D significantly expands the lawn care capabilities. It can be used absolutely everywhere, even near parking lots or pavements with large traffic. The price of this circular blade is $250. Kicker Digger. This $30 device can significantly alleviate almost any garden work, relieve the potential fatigue and back pain. It's called the Kicker Digger, and it's a nozzle that you can easily and quickly put on a shovel or pitchfork. All you have to do is put a fastener on the handle, then install the leg plate and fasten it with 2 screws. The device is based on the laws of physics. It serves as a long lever, which reduces the amount of effort required for digging or loosening the soil. Some of the advantages of the nozzle are its small size and light weight. And in general, the Kicker Digger reduces the duration of the work in about half, which means it increases labor productivity, so you can work faster and longer. Pilot 200. The equipment that you see on the screen is a vacuum cleaning device for fallen leaves. The Pilot 200 from the company DR Power costs $1,000, but it offers many new opportunities for cleaning your backyard. It's noteworthy that the device saves a lot of time because it allows you to mow the lawn and collect leaves and garbage simultaneously. At the same time, the Pilot 200 is capable of collecting up to 750 liters of vegetation residue and other waste. The equipment is compact and maneuverable, allowing you to clean in conditions of limited space and even directly under trees. Emptying the container takes only a couple of minutes, and additional tools are not needed. When the work is done, the container folds up and doesn't take up much space, which provides convenience and simplicity of storage. Without a container, the Pilot 200 can be used to transport loads weighing up to 180 kilograms.